Well, in the course of the week, no Kumasi Asante Kotoko targets your friend Emmanuel Ankra, Bofo Kwatano, and Obobo on the screen. So no, yeah, you have various stories about him, about how Kumasi Asante Kotoko is showing interest in signing him, but a player no ako sign ama Tima or Kobo Confederation Cup, which is Nsuatreman FC. Deal no, Muncheche Moon say. Kumasi Asante Kotoko apparently elevate negotiations before say Nsuatre a cover player, and because Nsuatre man intimate Kotoko and player home. Yes, no, let's state it on record. Nsuatre man intimate Kotoko player home. Player no a central defender. Na ohe sisi Kumasi Asante Kotoko echi ho na unim say Henry Ansu ho Nurudin and Tiki kan ho. And recently, Kotoko signed Sergio Ramos, Samba O'Neil, and Enrique Anso, Joseph Agbo Abba, on Munina central defenders. And the Impenny 4 Etna who say Kotoko wouldn't need another central defender in Emmanuel Ankrasa. All these guys are bad. So Impenny 4 thought it wise, say they leave the negotiation now focus on elsewhere. On elsewhere, no, a Bofakwa. Defensive midfielder your friend Saka Saka Dauda nti ono na be player obi free Bofo Akwatano a join Krobia Asante Kotoko inshallah this season nti Emmanuel Ankra no ne deal to Kumasi Asante Kotoko elevate negotiations yenka ne yenchim ansana Nsuatre for no ekofa. I'm told say Nsuatre man assigned for 3 seasons on the Nsuatre FC ebedi kasubom ewo ho yem wishing all the best ewo ho enonso now ewo Bronhafo region ho na movement bi nso asa akoso from Domahinkro to Asante region Abraham Kese to be precise player your friend Yusuf Al Hassan Chipsa Nations FC for who say obeboa Nations project no Chipsa a offensive midfielder in France center forward prekope na ono na that screen you see muhuni say obitimi abeye the Yusuf Chipsa of Kumasi Asante Kotoko enti omama the chance na ene Nations FC ene Yusuf Chipsa the day no Yusuf Alasan Chipsa enti no enti so far movement me you know I can confirm it to you on Super 24 TV. Echina Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirmation of new players no ebe to aso e buy a ebe bro e wo fie ha super